Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this Windows 11 update, that is KB5010414. So for any reason, if you are unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this, the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to system, and then click on troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters, and then click on run. So here you can see Windows Update in front of it. Click on run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 once again. But still you are unable to update. In that case, restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in services in Windows search box, then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update and then set the startup type as automatic and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and with Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now do the same thing with Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click and set it to automatic, then click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now with this selected, click on restart the service. And then once done, now try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are unable to update, then use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant and then click on accept and install. Now for some reason, if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not loading, if it's not opening, in that case go to the download location. So open File Explorer, then go to downloads and then make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here, and then from the drop down options select Windows 7, then click on apply, then click on OK, and then make a double click and then click on accept and install, and that should go ahead and update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad in Windows search box and then click on Notepad. Paste all the command over here and then go to File. Then click on Save As, and then you can set the location as desktop. Name this file as wufix.bat, and then for save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wufix file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now the scan will take some time. There are a couple of scans, and once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now once this is done, then you can restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now in case if nothing is working, you can use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 11. Go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.